I was like, I'm so high.
Same again tomorrow. We don't need no bottle. Purple color lip gloss, room at the Saguaro. Ain't nowhere I would rather be. Right between your holidays. Coffee on the Flintstone, jewelry on the Ottoman. Baby, let me in. For I get way too adamant about it. Love the way you shiver. Dig into my shoulder blades. Feel it when you quiver. Higher level elevate. You could be the renegade. Body to a glide. Harrison and Juliet, legends never die. The TV hasn't worked in ages, probably got a shorter cable. Way too busy.
We're in Nebraska. They all abandoned me and slept while I was driving.
I told you what I was doing. Making stuff up.
Well, we're almost to Colorado. It's been a chill drive. Let's get it.
What I fuck with you for? Cause you're the next Drew Berry, yeah. And I want more. And all these other girls keep wondering what I fuck with you for, yeah. Cause you're something like the summer, kinda like a hurricane, sweeping through the desert, hot Americana rain.
What's up, y'all? Welcome to my vlog.
Your vlog.
It's okay. It's the collab. It's the collab. Hey, it's the collab, right?
Yes, sir.
It's the collab. It's the collab, man. It's the collab. Welcome to my collab vlog.
We're in a fake town.
Hey, remember to follow the main channel, Shimeng Tao.
Psych boy.
We just got out of a special place that we like to visit sometimes.
Nice and special.
But we're in the mountains, yo. Look at this. That's so cool. It's so pretty.
I really am.
I ain't wearing nothing but my Lauryn Hill shirt. It's kinda baggy on you, baby, but it worked. The AC hasn't worked in ages. I could probably read the label. Way too busy fucking on the counter or the coffee table. Am I hallucinating? Why do you look hella famous? Cause you're the next Drew Berry. And I want more. And all these other girls keep wondering what I fuck with you for. Cause you're the next Drew Berry. Yeah. I want more.
It doesn't look that much different.
And all these other girls keep wondering what I fuck with you for. I wanna make every single moment for you great. Fly away to Cairo or LA. Girl, I want it, I don't wanna waste time, waste time. I wanna make, yeah, every single moment for you great, yeah. Fly away to Cairo or LA, girl, I want it now.
Oh, it's dark. We out here, Abraham Lincoln, yes sir. Oh yeah. Hugs, not drugs. All right, bathroom. Bing. Scared money don't make money.
Scared money don't make money.
Scared money don't make money. Scared money don't make money.
What?
Scared money don't make money.
Oh no. You guys.
Yo. We got a castle, boys. Oh shit. Oh, he got so scared. You guys should have seen his face.
I would have been like, this man owes me.
You guys should have seen his face.
This man owes me money.
But you already know. You know, we made it out
I
here.
was like, I'm taking Ming's first 3 patients.
We made it out here to Cal. Damn, we not in Cali. What the fuck am I talking about? We in Vegas. You already know. Shit. You already know what that smells like. Like that gas. Ah.
All right, so we basically spent the whole evening in Vegas, chilled a little bit. We went to the world's largest dispensary. And now we're at the world's largest Chevron.
It's the biggest Chevron in the world.
Bro, they're trading like 96 pumps, 95 pumps, something like that. But like, we wanted to get pump 69, but someone took it.
Do you need it? I'm just gonna get some water.
I want water, but I'll come in later.
And we can grab for you.
Yeah, you just want a water bottle?
Yeah.
Which one? Flavor? Which brand? Okay.
Way too tired. Welcome to Cali.
Way too tired. Oh, we didn't even do that.
Nah, I know, yeah, we were way too tired yesterday to even mention that we were here. We said peace. Oh, it's so cold. It's kind of bright.
It is cold, bro.
It's not terrible though.
It's still better.
Yeah. Actually, no, Minnesota's been kind of warm lately. Yeah, it was pretty warm. We out here.
Really out here.
We're at the beach. But not the beach. We're not even going there. We're going to this hotel. Link up with another cross Minnesota, or not Minnesota link outside of Minnesota. Wait.
Sneaky links.
Oh, we're good.
Cross country
Oh,
links.
it goes pew, pew, pew.
Cross country links.
Let's kind of cry. See. Whoa, wait, take a picture.
Dude, he's here.
Is he here? Like we're at con, you know, we're in LA smoke. Is that how long did it go?
Honestly.
Shee. Ming, where you going? It's so nice. Huntington Beach. Alright, we out here. Decided to get quick tacos before our flight back to Minnesota. But it's been a smooth one day here. Smooth drive here. Say it's smooth. We also have a layover. Say hi. What's up? Tacos, bussin'. Nachos, bussin'.
Busting out that Midi.
Yes, sir. Perfect pre-flight meal.
Needed it.
Time to hit the in-flight toilet.
Oh, yeah, that's gonna be tough. Hopefully we're not in the back.
We are in the back. All right. LAX. It's time to get out of here.
105, you gon' drive me wild. LA don't look good on you, baby. Out all night, Uber X outside. LA don't look good on you, baby. Fendi or red bottoms, you can keep your problems. Baby, I don't want them.